right now. Tell us about your labs. My
Oh,
labs!
yes! Fascinating.
Doris, let me tell you, I had
credible
a friend named Doris, and a few months ago Doris looked a lot more human than she does now. But after we got through with her, we learned quite a bit by Doris.
Was Doris a cadaver?
Very helpful, yes.
Oh.
Yes. Doris died last March, and her body was in pretty good shape. She had a big heart.
What did she die from?
She died from a heart attack.
What did she die from?
How was Doris preserved until now?
Formaldehyde.
I have to get out.
And
Formaldehyde.
Yes. Alcohol.
Was she in a bottle, you mean, with liquid?
No.
No, they inject it in your veins.
And then she just stayed looking like Doris?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, so smart.
58. Not anymore.
What did she die of, did you say? A big...
Heart attack.
Myocardial infarction.
Very
Got it.
good.
You
How
have to be
come we
careful.
know that?
You have to be careful how you say that.
How come we know that?
It's from emergency. I'm telling you. You give them something Lanacaine when that happens.
Carol, tell us about your love life. Come on. Should I call your dad in here?
Pictures on Lanacaine.
Your dad would have a good story.
He's not going to have much more to say, I don't think.
Remember the story about the Indian on the reservation?
Oh, yes. Dad, did you tell us about the Indian again? The Sioux Indian from North Dakota?
I don't remember.
He doesn't remember.
He had a ponytail.
Yeah.
And a braid. And a braid.
Didn't he say he had an earring too?
I didn't hear about that. But he had a big feather headdress.
Yeah.
He had a big feather.
You never said that to me. So, what's new, Sharon?
Oh yeah.
Work. That's not new, though. I'm gonna quit work. That's new.
Oh, good.
In favor of what? Non-work.
We haven't gotten that far.
The rent comes on
No,
Monday.
I'm gonna try and get into merchandising.
She's typed up new resumes, and that's as far as it's gone.
Executive program. That's what it's called. Executive program through like Bullock's or Broadway or my company or whoever will take me.
Do they give family discounts?
Not after they see the family. Beforehand they say, oh yes, darling, that's where
We should do our double bubble.
Suzanne, did you tell us enough?
Yeah, I pretty much covered my life.
You have? You're sure now? You're happy up there and these people you're living with are nice?
Yeah, I'm very happy.
You making lots of money?
Adequate.
Oh, good. Good. And so, have you bought anything new, like a car lately or anything?
No, I am paying back debts to the family loan officer.
You mean Nalene?
Yeah.
I didn't know you borrowed from her too. Was that to go to Italy?
Yeah.
I mean to Europe, yeah.
Yeah. So I am paying her back.
Is she charging you a high rate of interest?
Not too high. No.
Uh-huh.
The best rate I could get.
Oh, good. Good. Well, she's a lovely child. She needs a new car. She needs a new car, though.
Now that we're talking about
Here's the loan agent. All the Jennings are grateful to Eileen.
6%.
6? I'd be doing good at 6.
Oh, wow.
Do you get any interest at all?
No, none has been paid back to me so far.
It's just not interest in the form of money.
Blood, sweat, tears, what is it?
Well, Suze came up to Santa Barbara and got me the other day. Helped me move. I'd say that helped out some.
That was good, yeah.
No, does she have a truck or what?
She had Dad's car. I have Mother's car.
How did you fit anything into that little foreign
That's a good
thing?
one. Get the mom and dad
Lots
on
of stuff in there.
Talk about the car.
It's not exactly a truck.